This little duet is, basically harmony. It's harmonizing between the two instruments, which can be a tricky business because just a little imperfection will stand out and doesn't sound very good. And trust me, I know it's firsthand because every time I am editing the videos for you guys and it sounds really off, I have to scrap the whole thing and redo it all over. That's happened to me many times, so I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so the harmony, don't take it for granted and make sure that you can deliver the double stops as purely in tune as you possibly can. So double check every one of those double stops, make sure they are as clear and in tune as possible. That is critical here. Otherwise, this etude is short, thank goodness, I'm happy with that. But and piano, also piano, so don't press so hard and make it as smooth as possible. And other than that, yeah, enjoy, because if you get it right, it's very satisfying to hear the harmony of both instruments work together very well and just, click. It's super cool. Again, thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.